had a lot of exciting time, lot of happiness and joy. Ado Cultural Festival 2016 has come to a closing day. Iti ye chun ke man tu di kha kum ke khom minu mi pa ho jo se lunga gol hang chulat chate naute ho jo se na bo do win em na chipai kan pi na hi chito ke hanin tu di kha hi Ado Cultural Festival 2016 achai na ni ha hi taนี่จะจนตัวนี่ฮะโปรแกรมที่เกมาตองมังเขากิบินก็ห้องโดตานี่น้องไป enjoy บอกครับที่ไป
Let's give a big round of applause for all the contestants. big round of applause once again for Jimmy Lamboy, Byzantine singer. The very popular, the very famous Jimmy Lamboy. Stays out in Dr. Kilone. A very, very competitive with Jimmy Lamboy with the Pikirute.
Amang tolting sa hipat sa Katiin pa ho'y din pagingin Kung sonin tulowin pa ka Tolting lanunahin Tolting sa hinahin Lamboy selumona Tolking lanunahi Kanong ngeye paway lo ding Kamay ngeye tulting sahe Kading tulogin pajimin Tinghang lanunahi Tulting sahe nahi Jimpajinin tanpa selumona Tolting sahinani Tolting lanunahi
Ladies and gentlemen, World Hockey contestant number 3.
I am alone at a crossroad. I'm not at home in my own home, and I try to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I've fallen the balls you think you gave to me. Now I gotta find my own. You should have listened.
Tune serial number 5, Ding Hoi Ning, Hado Ikowi.
Repeating Happy Beauty. Please give it up for sin number 6, Vainay Kim Mate.
Until you hate me, and now I'm gonna show Thank you.
And next we have Horizon Ling Sing Son. Tuan contestant number 9, Kang Milun Sing Si Câu Tao Về.
ในโลกแรกนาโอ้ลันนา I say love sing không đông lai hình phố đi vì mấy cao lòng bé bay những na em bờ nhìn màu bư lối gì ta.
And now contestant number 10, Kati Kim Sitlo.
गायब हो गया है अपनी जगह से जो भी हुआ है वो हुआ है तेरी वजह से
अब तेरे साथ मेरे कहीं भी मैं जहाँ भी लेके तेरे हाथ में हाथ में हाथ में हाथ में हाथ में साथ में साथ में साथ में साथ
Tuan contestant number 11, Simon Saitin Ho.
ไทยฟิล์มโคเรียกองฟูโตะจุเล่ดนตรีมาสระขึ้นถอดเองอาศัยลูกเจริญเลยมีพิจารณาบุริกแกเซวิน่าเก่งแต่บ้านมีนั่นหัวนี่แรกร้อยไปนะมีขัดกันเองอามันเจ้ากองฟูกันถอดถึงจุอามันสาวินเบียดไปกี่ไปไทยฟิล์มมีแบบที่วินไทยฟิล์มจะบ้านเองพันบอลเจียเลยไทยบอลให้มันให้ครับไอ้ไทยมันให้ครับไม่ค่อยไทยไม่เมื่อให้ไทยก่อนมาให้ตลอดครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ Simon Saitin Ho.
เอาละ
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kim Min Kim, contestant number 12. Today I'm gonna perform a ram walk. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for contestant number 14, Alice Kipcat.
I don't get it. It seems like every time you give me signs and I miss it. I did it again. I admit it. I left you standing there and now I regret it. Seems like every time I get the chance I lose my cool and I blow it. And I get all tongue-tied, lost in your eyes. I'm a fool and I know it. I should have kissed you, I should have told you, just how I feel. Next time I won't stop, I'll listen to my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you, I should have told you how.
Put your hands together for serial number 15, Esther Neng Piling. Thirteen, Attract and Go Pikihonin, Abangan na Chiwitin, Judges Hall.
Upon contestant number 18, Michael Tung Min Thang.
Wow! Woof. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 19, Chin Jam Hai Sing Sing.
Mi amor,
Mipindera na nga iti muhitin.
Mama put this batch of things. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark to street. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's Thank you, babe.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Ngayong son of a... Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for contestant number 21, Kamlen Thangkipgen.
Tình vậy trong số lấy mình làm một tê lấy cuộc không bao và in làm một tê leng lè bao băng thật ra làm một tê tôi sao mà em đang nỗi là mong được tình anh là làm một tê mong được tình anh là làm một tê pulang pun kena me ta chân lệ ta chất phát bao băng quên qua cô mong hít tê hết quân tâm xa ngũ pin đừng cắt bì bụi số nhìn xí tí bông. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamlen Thangkipgen. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for serial number 23, Thangmin Lal Kipgen. Good beauty.
Bunga lạnh lạnh lại xa khăn khăn hơi lại mà mình là đi phan mà mình là đi phan bunga cô lại bunga cô lại.
Contestant number 24, holding Khúc Trong Lôi.
Serial number 27, Kamintang Hangsi.
Dunia kan ke sajing cui le hamla. Mule paten sa na thawa. Ama na kiwa choi nga na sajing hamla an bol de. Katange! 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 Lamdin Kuwai Pelaya! Katange! Godang Tamba! Godang Tamba! Katange! 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 Pelaya! Lamdin!
To ating contestant number 28, Nathan Kim Singson.
You gotta go and get angry at all of my mistakes. You know I try, but I don't just remember my apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, can someone call my referee? 'Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. Not once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of hundred times. So let me redeem myself tonight. 'Cause I just need one more shot, second chance. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for contestant number 33, Arjun Kumar.
दिल को मेरे हुआ यकीन हम पहले भी मिले कहीं सिलसिला ये सदियों का कोई आज की बात नहीं दिल को मेरे हुआ यकीन हम पहले भी मिले कहीं सिलसिला ये सदियों का कोई आज की बात नहीं जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा वो हम न कोई हम जिंदगी में तुम्हारी सिवा तेरा साथ मेरा हम
And ladies and gentlemen, please put
contestant number 40, Thang Phan Lal Ho Kim. Put that beauty between their hearts.
รู้ลายคนรู้แล้วลายกันโกอาการโดนเองแสดงโครงการ
Ladies and gentlemen, doon naban chiu hitin, credit so by CC Singsit, anavel how hitin,
Amawa hong kitay tayo le in pide pat building. Only 3 minutes, please.
ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for CC Singsit So.
Mi pide ho kwat bang utay.
Bring it back like she loves something. In the club with the lights off, but you at the shop off. Come and show me that you with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you at the shop off?
Just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if it says true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I've been told a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm looking out front. You see me in the spotlight.